Okay guys, we have seen if statement and switch case statement being used in JavaScript. So now let's look into looping. Okay, loops. So there's three types of loops used in JavaScript: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the three types of loops. I'm using a very simple program. So here you can see a very simple program. I'm taking two values from the user, and then I'm going to add up the values, and then I'm going to display on the browser. Alright, so let's test this. Okay, it works. Okay, the program works. So let's test this program. Let's put 10 for the first value, and then let's put 20 for the next value. So by right, 10 plus 20 equals to 30. So I have 1020. Why is the value wrong? Because I didn't convert. Remember, I told you earlier, whatever that you get from a prompt box, it is taken as a string. If string and string you plus, okay, it'll join. So what you need to do first is you need to convert to integer. I assume everything is integer, so I convert to integer using parseInt. Remember, the I must be capital. Okay, so I have told you about this in our earlier video. So this is just a revision for you. Let's try it again. So 10 plus with 20. So now I get 30. Alright, so now the program is correct. Now, the program is only running once. Alright, what if I want to make a loop, meaning I want to run it more than once? So I have an option to use looping. Alright, and there's three types of loops that I can use. So I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, the looping is the same as any other programming language. Alright, so for loop, for x equals to 1, starting point, where do you want to stop? Let's say I want to repeat the process 3 times. So I can put 3. And then have to go from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, x plus plus. So it's the same. Don't forget your opening and closing brackets. So because the whole thing, the whole 4 statements I want to repeat, so these 4 statements will be within my looping. And don't forget, just declare it. So now, let's repeat this. Okay, save, repeat. Okay, so I start with 1, I am stopping at 3, so I'm looping 3 times. So 1 plus 1, first loop, 2 plus 2, second loop, 3 plus 3, third loop, and I have 2, 4, 6. Why is it all in one statement? Because I didn't put a break here. Alright, so 2 is for the first loop result, 4 is for the second loop result, and 6 is for the third loop result. Okay, fine. I'll just make it a bit better. I'll put break here. Okay, and then I put plus. Alright, then the output will be better. Alright, so this is for loop. Alright, let's try with while loop. So while loop is very simple. Starting point will be on top. Okay, change for to while. Okay, and increment or decrement will be before the last curly braces. Alright, and please remove the semicolon. So this is a while loop. Don't forget the semicolon at the increment or decrement statement. So let's run this. Okay, save. 1, 1 for the first loop, 2, 2, second loop, 3, 3, third loop, and I have these 2, 4, and 6. Okay, and what about do while loop? Same, it's all the same. So here put do, and then at the bottom here you put a semicolon. This will become a do while loop. If you run it, it'll run the same way. Right? So you have seen 3 different loops. I'm going very fast because you have seen all these earlier in other programming languages. So this is just like a revision for you. Okay? So now, if you know how many times you want to loop, you can do this way. For loop, while loop, do while loop. Now, what if you don't know how many times that you want to loop? You are unsure. You don't know. The user did not tell you how many times the user wants to repeat. So you have ways to do that. Okay, one of the ways is using a confirm box. Okay, what is a confirm box? It's just like an alert whereby the user can choose to OK, to continue, or to cancel, to stop. Okay, let me show you. So the confirm box, it looks like this. Confirm, brackets. So, do you want to continue? Okay, and this will give me a true or false answer. So where is the answer? The answer is being kept here, choice. This choice is just a variable name. You can change it if you want. Okay, so because this is another variable name, so I have to declare. It's good to declare, alright. So this will give you an OK and cancel button. If you click on OK, that means it is true, you want to continue. If you click on cancel, it is false, that means you want to stop. Okay, so let's do a bit of changes here. While your choice. Enough. That's it. Meaning, while true. Alright, while true, you repeat all this. Okay, you don't even have to have this x++, no need. So how are you going to repeat? Here I'm using a while loop. So how are you going to repeat? Simple. You copy the same statement and put it inside. This is first time for you to go in. Okay, this is the other times that you want to repeat. Okay, let's do a bit of changes here so that you can see the difference. The first one is, do you want to continue? After that, I'll ask, do you still want to continue? Okay, then you can see the difference. Alright, remember, there's no x++, there's no x plus 1. No, it all depends on the choice that the user is making. Okay, so save, refresh. Okay, first thing, do you want to continue? Let's say I put cancel. Okay, let's make the browser slightly bigger so that you can see the whole thing. Okay, this is a confirm box. There's nothing, it's just a message, OK and cancel button. OK means true, cancel means false. Okay, do you want to continue? That means I cancel, I don't want. The first time itself I said I don't want, cancel. So it'll stop. Because this one is false. So if false, it won't go in. So it'll stop. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, let's say it's true now. Okay, yes, I want to continue, true. Okay, now only it'll ask me. Alright, so let's say I put 1, 2. Now it's asking me. Okay, it's asking me, do you still want to continue? This one is the one that you see here. Okay, so let's say I said okay. Continue again. Alright, continue again. And then let's say I put 3, 4. Okay, 2 times already I loop. So now I don't want to loop anymore. So I cancel. So it'll give me 3 and 2. The first 3 is for the first loop. That's 3 and 7. 3 is for the first loop. And then 7 is for the second loop. And then after that I decided to stop. I click on false. So it'll stop. Okay. So remember, the one here, this particular confirm statement, is run only once. Okay. The next coming processes, it is from this particular statement, we identify whether you want to continue or not. So a loop. So the looping is here. It won't go up here anymore. So it's here only. Okay? So simple as that. If you know how many times they want to loop, you can put your x equals to 1. You can put your condition. You can put increment and decrement. But if you don't know what the user, how many times the user wants to repeat, then you can opt for this. You can put confirm box. So in total, you have learned 3 pop-up boxes. Prompt, alert, this is another one, confirm. So 3 types of pop-up boxes. Okay.